to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is gonna be the studio tour video and I'm so excited for you guys to see the video. I'm not gonna blabber at all. So let's start the studio tour. Okay, so this is the door from where you come in. इसके बाजू में जो मेन स्विच है, दिस इज व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक. द ओनली थिंग इफ यू आस्क मी, जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है घर में, इज दिस. इट्स वेरी बल्की. ये तो हमने चेंज करवा लिया, दिस वी डिड नॉट, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, लेट इट बी. मैं वैसे भी फ्रेम में लेती नहीं हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ द डोर लुक्स लाइक, नथिंग मेजर. एंड व्हेन यू कम टू द लेफ्ट, okay, when you come to my left, there is this big IKEA drawer chest. There are total 6 drawers in this, and my friends and my dad, we built this together. And बहुत ज़्यादा storage है इसमें, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैं इतना सामान इसमें ठूसती हूँ कि मतलब मुझे लगता है कि मेरे घर का सारा बेडरूम का सामान इसमें आ जाता है. So let's start with the minute things. So this vase, whatever you wanna call it, we got it from West Side for 1000 rupees or 1200. ये हमने भी West Side से खरीदा है. And this also, this one we bought from a local shop, है ना? We bought it from a local shop. It goes with the entire theme of this corner. This corner I've kept very beige and thoda pink hint to it. I've not added any lavender touch to this particular wall. Then moving forward, this beautiful tizori, or you call it trunk, whatever. It's huge. It looks very tiny, but it's huge. And मेरा नाम is engraved on this. So the Instagram handle's name is Forever Accent Love. I will mention it on the screen as well and put it in the description box below. You can contact her and maybe get a smaller size if you don't have that much space in your house. There are 3 sizes if I'm not wrong. So she can send you whatever size you want. So she knows that I love lavender, so she was trying to get a lavender velvet kapda, because if you see this, it has like a lavender finish to it, but she couldn't find it unfortunately. But it's okay, it turned out to be beautiful anyways, because ये वाली जो मेरी वॉल है उसको मैंने बेज, न्यूड बेज प्लस पिंक ऐसा ही रखा हुआ है. सो या, सो मैं बहुत ऐसे ऊंचा होके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. सो देयर आर दीज 3 accent pieces. These are 2 circles and this is a hexagon, and I've put these tiny trees, plants, whatever. ये IKEA से लिया हुआ है मैंने. I'm gonna make like a proper decor haul. मैंने कहाँ से क्या लिया हुआ है लिंक्स के साथ. अभी I'm just like क्या बोलते हैं, ऊपर से टेलिंग यू कि कहाँ से क्या खरीदा हुआ है. ये मैंने अमेजोन से खरीदा है. एंड दीज प्लांट्स आर फ्रॉम IKEA. एंड इस पे मैंने फेरी लाइट्स ऐसे रैप किया हुआ है, विच यू कांट सी राइट नाउ. आई विल जस्ट शो इट टू यू इन अ बिट. बट दिस प्लांट इज नॉट फ्रॉम IKEA, जस्ट बाय द वे, इफ यू ट्राई टू फाइंड इट. आई डोंट रिमेंबर मैंने ये कहाँ से खरीदा है, शायद शीन से खरीदा था, बट बाकी सारे जो है वो IKEA से लिया हुआ है. कैन यू गाइज सी द इफेक्ट? ओह माई गॉड, आई मीन यू कांट सी मी, दैट्स ओके, बट इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल रात को. Okay, so this is how the drawer chest looks like, and it's huge, as I said. I'm not gonna open each and every drawer and show you in this video. If you want like a vanity tour, let me know in the comments down below, because इसमें भी बहुत सारा सामान है. and मेरा जो मेकअप vanity है वो साइड है. Okay, अभी जो व्हाइट पर्दे लगे हुए हैं उसके पीछे मेरा किचन है. I'm gonna show you. Now this I use as my backdrop as well. So because my studio apartment is pretty small, I wanted to use every corner. तो ये जो रॉड है, थोड़ा ऊपर कर, ये जो रॉड है ये नहीं था यहाँ पे, मैंने ये लगवा के लिया है, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक द बाथरूम का दरवाजा जो यहाँ पे है, एंड आई डेंट लाइक द किचन का हाउ इट यूज टू लुक, बट आई ट्राइड टू मेक इट वर्क. तो मैंने वॉलपेपर लगा दिए हुए हैं, वो भी अमेजोन से खरीदा हुआ है. आई एम गोना शो यू. So this is the wallpaper I was talking about. ये Amazon से खरीदा हुआ है. You can like stick it on almost all surfaces if I'm not wrong, but ये mainly kitchen tiles के लिए ही बना हुआ है. तो मैंने यहाँ पे चिपका दिया. It looks very very different. And मैंने अगर ये साइड का आपको दिखाया तो आपको समझेगा इसका before and after क्या है, which I'm not gonna show you because मुझे aesthetic vibe खराब नहीं करनी है. But this is my mini fridge. और इसके अंदर क्या है? I'll show you. कोक है, केचप है, मामाअर्थ के मास्क है, मिल्क मेड, देन ड्राई फ्रूट्स, अचार, विनेगर है क्योंकि ये वीडियो के लिए चाहिए था मेरे को मैडी के साथ, बट वो अब तक फिल्म नहीं किया हम लोग ने, सो इट्स ओके. दिस खाऊ का डब्बा जिसमें मैंने सब खाना रखा हुआ है, मैगी एंड चीजलिंग्स एंड लेज एंड व्हाट नॉट. देन दिस इज द मिनी इंडक्शन, नॉट मिनी, दिस इज द नॉर्मल साइज ऑफ द इंडक्शन. अगर मेरे को कभी मैगी बनानी होती है ऐसा कुछ, मैं वहाँ पे रख देता हूँ. एंड पीछे सारे ग्लासेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट इज देयर, मेसन जार्स एंड ऑल. एंड दिस साइड देयर इज किचन सिंक विच आई डोंट वांट टू शो यू गाइस बिकॉज इट्स डर्टी. ओके, सो दिस इज द पर्पल रग जो मेन एरिया में है, जहाँ पे सिर्फ टाइल्स था लाइक नीचे का. सो आई वांटेड समथिंग, बट मैं बेज कलर का लेने वाली थी एंड आई डिडंट गो. लास्ट मोमेंट पे मैंने वो चेंज कर दिया बिकॉज आई हैव अ बेज कलर का रग जो मेरे मिरर के नीचे है, वो बहुत जल्दी खराब हो रहा है. सो आई वांटेड समथिंग डार्क. So I was like चलो पर्पल ले लेते हैं, and I luckily found it on Flipkart. इसके measurements are 5x6. I wanted like a 6x6 rug, but वो मिला नहीं, एक ही size में था, तो I had to buy this. But I'm not complaining. It's a really nice quality rug. So this is like a place where all my friends and my family can come and chill. मतलब obviously bed भी है, but अगर bed पे सारे लोग नहीं बैठ पा रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं. So yeah. And then comes this corner of the studio where I spend most of my time editing or shooting my videos because this is the main wall where we shoot our videos. And ये wall करने में इतना टाइम गया, what to tell you guys, because जब से मैंने स्टूडियो सोचा था लेने का, तब से मेरे दिमाग में यही था that I want to, you know, incorporate lavender, but I didn't want to like do just plain lavender. So I went for this and it looks really pretty and unique in the videos. So yeah, that's that. Then this is like there are two gaddas over here. एक normal गद्दी है जो कॉटन की होती है और नीचे orthopedic, what is it called? Yes, orthopedic गद्दी. Orthopedic वाला मुझे पसंद नहीं है because they are very stiff, but they are very good for your back anyways. But still I wanted like a soft one. तो नीचे orthopedic है, इसके ऊपर normal cotton की गद्दी है. So if at all a lot of people come here to sleep, I can just pick one up, बाजू में रख के we all can sleep together. But otherwise it's like a floor bed situation. This is a grey color bedsheet I got from Myntra. And this is the turtle my best friend Sahil gifted it to me. It's from Miniso and it goes with the whole vibe because it has all pastel colors like pink and green and blue, so it looks very pretty. And moving on to this side, by the way, if you guys are wondering कि मैंने ये curtains कहाँ से कराए हैं, ये online नहीं है. I bought it from local store and मैंने ये खुद मतलब कपड़ा वपड़ा डिसाइड किया हुआ है. So I can't give you the link of it. A lot of people are asking me grey curtains का link, but I cannot give you. And I don't even know the material's name, so I'm so sorry. But this grey color का curtain goes very well with my grey bed sheet. So yeah, coming back to these planters. So ये set था Amazon से खरीदा हुआ है. It was pink and grey, but I painted this one with lavender जो एक wall का color बचा हुआ था. And these plants I have bought from West Side. I don't know their names exactly, but वो display पे थे तो हमने उठा लिए. And this comforter is from Amazon. I think is Amazon Basics का brand. I don't remember. This is my laptop bag. Everybody knows about this. ये इधर ही पड़ा रहता है हमेशा. So yeah, that's all about this corner. Let's shift to this corner, which is this. What is this called? Ladder, white ladder. I again got this from Amazon. So this is how it looks like. और मैंने fairy lights डाले हुए हैं यहाँ पे. So yeah, this globe is bought from Amazon. Then this is the candle I bought from Bath and Body Works. It's the lavender vanilla. Then these plants are again bought from IKEA. Then this ये तो हो गया. यहाँ पे मैरी का planner रखा हुआ है मैंने. It's the 21 planner. अगर आपने नहीं चेकआउट किया है तो प्लीज करो. It's really beautiful. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी लिखना चालू कर दिया जैन में सब कुछ. Then over here this candle holder I got from West Side. This is how it looks like. And इसके अंदर ये कैंडल मैंने लोकल शॉप से खरीदी थी लास्ट टाइम के व्लॉगमेस के लिए. यहाँ पे है. Then this lip balm जो इधर यहाँ पे होता है या फिर यहाँ पे होता है. It's by Sebamed. Obviously I need a lip balm. And then cheeselings because भूख लगती है एडिटिंग करते करते वक्त. Then my glasses वहाँ पे है. This is just the case. बस ऐसे ही कुछ बकवास नीचे रख दिया है मैंने और कुछ बिकॉज नीचे का कुछ दिखता नहीं है ज़्यादा. So this area looks really pretty at night when I sit to edit. It's very calming. Okay, I almost forgot to show you guys my ऊपर का area which is the evergreen forest. So I have all these plants over here. So this area is basically kind of like a storage one, but I didn't want to put any storage there. I wanted something which will look aesthetic. So I kept all the plants here. काफी सारे Amazon से खरीदे हुए हैं. And this one but in particular is the snake plant. It's the real plant and इसको ज़्यादा पानी देना नहीं पड़ता है. That's why I keep it here. And I feel it looks really pretty like the way it's arranged. My dad actually arranged these plants. Okay, so now we are to the right side of the door. हमने left side से पूरा दिखा दिया till the balcony door, till like the grey curtains. I'll show you the balcony later, but let's talk about this side first. So door के this side I have my makeup vanity. So come on, I'll show you. So this is how it looks like. There are 2 Alex drawers. This is the first chest which has 5 drawers. And as I said, I think I should make like a different vanity tour video in which I will explain each and every drawer. Otherwise ये video बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So ये सब makeup और skincare वही है, ये सब यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा. And again this is from IKEA and we have built this. Then इसके ऊपर I have kept all my very expensive palettes. And this stand again I got from Amazon, but इसको मैंने spray paint कर दिया था gold से. It was black because then it was not going with my theme. So there is Huda Beauty, then there is Makeup Revolution, then there is Lime Crime, again Makeup Revolution, one more Huda Beauty and all of that. So these are all my beautiful palettes, and I generally go for this one, which is the Mercury Retrograde by Huda Beauty or the Makeup Revolution anyways. So yeah, पीछे मैंने एक डायरी रखी हुई है which is by Haley. The classics, basically it's like the plain diary, so अगर कोई आता है कुछ लिख के देना होता है, so I just keep that over there. Then this full size mirror right next to the Alex drawer. So basically there are two chests और उसके बीच में there is this big mirror, full size mirror. I love having full size mirrors in my vanity. काफ़ी सारे जो IKEA में आते हैं ना वो काफ़ी thin होते हैं, which everybody has, and I don't like those because उसमें मैं hardly fit होती हूँ. तो I wanted something which is wide enough. That's why I went for this. I forgot the name of this particular one, but this is how it looks like. It's a white frame and उसके ऊपर मैंने creepers डाले हुए हैं जो मैंने Amazon से खरीदे हैं. Then this poofy right here again bought from Amazon. And I sit on this and like you know do my makeup and stuff. If my friends come they sit here. CK loves this particular one. He just wants to sit on this every time he comes over here. Then this is the second chest of drawers. इसमें भी again makeup, jewelry, everything is there. And इसके ऊपर मैंने Simba Lifestyle का trunk रखा हुआ है, lavender trunk. And इसके अंदर सारे brushes है मेरे, as you guys can see. This rug, it's beautiful, but the only problem is that ये बहुत जल्दी खराब होता है. And why I bought this is because I didn't want the mirror to slip, because mirror ऐसे का ऐसा खड़ा रखा हुआ है हमने. We have not fixed it to the wall. So you know I wanted something जिसमें friction हो, and it's like a very thick जाड़ा rug. So and plus मुझे कोई कलर नहीं चाहिए था ज़्यादा, ये भी मुझे न्यूट्रली रखना था. So that's why I went for this. इसका size is 3x6 or 3x8. I'll try to link it either in this or in the Amazon decor haul. This one is again bought from Amazon only. Then this side I do not like because इसमें सारे wires दिख रहे हैं, but मेरी balcony ये side है तो यहाँ से पूरा connection लिया हुआ है Wi-Fi का. ऊपर remote रखा हुआ है और मेरा mask लटका हुआ है वहाँ पे. So I can't do anything about this to be very honest, but I need Wi-Fi. Obviously my job requires Wi-Fi, strong Wi-Fi. Otherwise बहुत starting में क्या होता था पता है, I used to shoot videos here, edit, and I had to run back home to post the videos. And then this is the balcony door. The landlord was gonna change it, but last moment पे he could not, and I'm very upset about it because you know because of this door हमने delay करा था अपना studio tour. I was like anyways we are gonna shoot the studio tour regardless. So let's go to the balcony. Okay, so we are in the balcony right now. If you can hear construction noises because सामने टावर बन रहा है तो can't help it. But I have tried to make it look as aesthetic as possible. Actually मैंने ये intro shoot के लिए किया था. Pink was not there. This one was there. Tilt the camera थोड़ा. Yeah, can you guys see the fairy lights? जो कोक वाला शॉट है वो हमने यहाँ लिया था. And there is a foregrass over here. पीछे का मत देखना बिल्कुल भी. मैंने ट्राई किया कि मैं छुपा दूँ उसको. These are all the giveaway boxes, and I did not get time to dispose all of those because you know we don't buy different boxes. We use the boxes which I get. It's pretty big to be very honest, and I am really happy because of the balcony because I can throw whatever I don't want in the studio in the balcony as like the storage room also. And I never had a balcony in my house, so I was really happy when I got a balcony in the studio apartment. This is how the balcony looks like रात को जब बहुत अंधेरा हो जाता है. And पहले ये नहीं था. I hope you guys can see these white bars. ये सिर्फ इतना ही था. And I did this for the intro shoot as I said. But I wanted to keep this like this only because you know नीचे बैठे हुए लोग ऊपर देखते रहते हैं and it just becomes very uncomfortable for me. So this gives me my privacy. Okay guys, I totally forgot to end that video. Thank you so much for watching the studio tour video. I am gonna make the Amazon decor haul, so don't worry about that. I'll be linking everything, whatever I can of course. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.